Let's suppose from our data, we want to show the top 10 ProShare ETFs by 2018 total return. So what we're going to do is, with this data we just cleaned, go back to data and then from table range. So we're going to select the data that we want to do this. So we're going to click the column header for the ETF ETN data name, and then control click symbol, brand, scroll over, until you see the total return in 2018. Make sure you control click. Then we'll right click. Sorry, right click the heading. So let me try that again. So symbol, brand, ETF, and then right click the heading. And then we're going to remove the other columns. Make sure we have symbol, brand, total return 2018, and ETF, ETN name. Remove other columns. This should have 4 columns here. We're now going to filter the brand column. So we only want it to show ProShares funds. So click the filter arrow next to the top of the column, as I just did, and unselect all. And then scroll down until we see ProShares. Check the box, click OK. And now we should have 112 rows. We're going to click the filter button of Total Return 2018, and we're going to sort this descending. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add a column. And then we're going to choose index column from 1. So now you can see it's going from 1 to 112. So now we're going to filter this index column. So we'll see a number filter less than or equal to, and the number will be 10. We'll click OK, and now we have our top 10. We can remove pretty much we can remove the brand, and so we'll remove brand, we'll remove the index, and then now I can file, close and load. And here are your top 10 ProShares, ProShare funds. Within here, we can make this a percentage. We're good to go. One other example of this is, let's say that your boss actually wanted you to get the top 10 Vanguard funds instead of ProShares. So what we'll do is we can edit the query. So if we go data, and then with in the Queries and Connections panel, click this. And then we'll right click on this one and do edit. Where we have here where we have our applied steps, we're going to right click the first filtered row ones and edit the settings. So earlier where I had ProShares, now we're going to change this to Vanguard. Click OK. So now I'm going to close and load. Or actually, before I do that, I'm going to change this name of the table to be, so I'm going to rename this query Top 10 Vanguard Funds. And then we're going to click Close and Load. And you will see that now it has changed it to Vanguard instead of ProShares. And then as necessary, it should refresh and show the information. If it doesn't, right click in the table and choose refresh. And it should refresh for you.